Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I have been back. I know I've been slacking on my videos. I'm sorry. I promise a lot of new videos are planned and coming very soon. Since I haven't seen you guys since the new year, I just wanted to say Happy New Year. I hope everything is going great so far. So before I get right on into this video, I just have a few things to mention. New intro and outro. They were designed by two amazing artists. They were so fun to work with and I had such a great time. I will link all of their contact information and everything like that down below, but I just wanted to give a big shout out to both of them. But yeah, with that said, enough rambling because this video is probably going to be already long as it is. So if you guys want to see me review the Too Faced Boss Lady Agenda palette, and let's get right on into the video. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open this beautiful box. So I may have cheated a little bit. I had to already open it only because I did have my nieces over the holidays and the little monster fingers decided to go through my makeup, and that's why there is a few little finger swatches. It's really, they were just kind of like mixing colors back and forth, so I had to go ahead and like wipe the shadows down. So inside the box you get the Better Than Sex mascara mini size, and I believe this is a full size of the Too Faced matte liquid lip, and this is in the shade Sellout. So we will try those after. And then the main part is the beautiful Agenda. This is like 100% my aesthetic. I love anything pink, rose gold. It's just super cute. It says don't let today be a waste of makeup, and then Too Faced at the bottom. Really cute. Even this little tassel is adorable. So let's go ahead and open it up. On the inside it looks like this. You get the actual palette and then the Agenda right here. So this is what the Agenda looks like. I've already actually written inside of it. I love this Agenda. It's super cute and nice to travel with. You get a bunch of like the regular calendar looking things and then some note pages. Super cute. I love it. It even like every like few pages or so it even gives you a page about makeup tips and things like that, which is really cute. So enough about that. Despite how cute it is, I think we're all here and you guys clicked on the video to see my review and try on of the actual palette. So when you open it up, it comes with these beautiful 24 shades and then 3 kind of like face shades down here. Like this is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, a blush, and then a highlight, which is really cool. And then these are all the eyeshadow shades. I'm going to just kind of create my own look, and then at the end of the video I will go ahead and swatch all of the rows for you guys so that you can see what the shades look like actually swatched if I don't end up using one of the shades that you're interested in. Let's zoom you guys in and get on to the eye look. I have my base makeup on right now. I have my foundation, my concealer, brows, and a little bit of powder. That's about it. I have not done any of my blush, highlight, and or bronzer for the purpose of trying it out from inside this book. So let's go ahead and do that first before we get onto the eyes. So I'm just going to take this angled brush and I'm going to go into the Chocolate Soleil bronzer and I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks. Alright, so now that the bronzer is done, it looks really nice. It's really pretty. It's a really nice color for me. I have the big size version of this bronzer and I really love it. So I think it's really nice to have it in that palette to go at least. It's really convenient. So next I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the blush shade called Will You Marry Me? So it's a really pretty blush shade. I like that it's like really golden and it has a lot of like shimmer to it, but it is a little bit too dark for a blush for my tone, I find. If you were a little bit lighter, then it would give you a really nice color payoff. To me, I prefer blushes that are a little bit more cool tones. Like, I like the dusty rose kind of blushes. It is a beautiful blush, I can't deny that. So next I'm going to take a fan brush and I'm going to go in with the highlight shade. It is in the shade #blessed. Just this guy right here. So when I highlight my nose, I kind of like to just go a little bit above where my tip actually is, and then I find that that gives a little bit of an illusion of my nose being pointed upwards a little bit. So right about there is where I like to highlight the tip. And then the Cupid's bow. Okay, so I actually really like this highlighter. It's super pretty and super blinding. I mean, you guys, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's a really pretty, like, champagne with a slight gold undertone to it. I think it's really, really pretty. Alright, so now that our base face is already complete, we're going to go ahead and do the eyes, because I know that that is the part that you guys are all waiting for. First, I'm going to go ahead into this nice warm shade called Spiked Cider, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that all in the inner of my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to darken it up a little bit and go in with this shade called Don't Give a Fudge, which is this dark chocolate shade right here. And I'm just going to be putting that on the outer, working my way in to darken up the shade. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this dark purpley black color in the shade Santa's Helper. That shade right there. And then just to make the outer just a little bit darker, I'm going to go in with the actual black shade called Black Tie, which is that shade right there. And then I'm going to be mixing these two glitter shades and putting them all over my lid. The shades Iced Out and Glittered. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that dark purpley black shade and then just kind of blend in between to make the transition a lot nicer. Okay, so now that the eye look is complete, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera and be right back. Alright you guys, so the mascara is done and now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lipstick. And like I said, this is in the shade Sellout. Alright you guys, so that is it for the completed look. I absolutely loved every single thing in this palette. It was so nice. All the colors are so pigmented. They have so many shades in here that could honestly be made to do so many different eye looks. I just kind of made this one up as I went. I think it's a really cute look. You can do something super fun and crazy. You could do something neutral. And then I love that it has your basic shades right here. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in to see what it looks like, but overall I think this is a huge hit and I would definitely recommend. So yeah, let's go ahead and zoom in. So that is it for this video, you guys. This is the final look that I created with the Boss Lady Agenda palette. I absolutely love this palette. I love every thing that comes with it. The idea of you being able to travel or have everything ready for you in one little palette on the go. It's super fun. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you like these type of videos, then please comment down below and let me know what you want to see next or what type of videos you want to see in the future. I would definitely be super excited to make them for you. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified every single time I post a new video for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and follow me on all my social media. And I'm so excited to have you guys join the Insider family. I hope that you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.